The AB300AF air boom is available in several different bin configurations. When equipped with multiple hoppers, this air boom can be easily adjusted to suit the various fertilizer products and blends that you will spread throughout the season. This video will go through the various bin configurations on the AB300AF and how to switch between them. Before changing the bin configuration, ensure that the hopper is empty and there is no residual fertilizer blocking the latches in the hopper from moving. The AB300 may be configured with a microhopper designed to accurately apply micronutrients, cover crops, and granular herbicides while fertilizer is metered from the main hoppers. This configuration is referred to as the AB300AFM. At the back of the machine on both sides of the unit, there are switches near the chain motors, which can be adjusted to open or close the latch in the microhopper. When the switch is set to single bin, the microhopper is opened to the main metering chains of the unit and allows for one product to fill the entire hopper. If the switch is set to dual bin, the product in the microhopper will run to the micrometering rollers, allowing for separate rates between the micro rollers and the main metering chains. Be sure to set the microhopper switches to the same setting on both the left and right-hand side of the machine. Also be sure that the seal for the microhopper gate is clean to ensure a proper seal and avoid product from the microhopper leaking in to the main hopper. This configuration provides 32 cubic feet of capacity for the microhopper and 272.5 cubic feet of capacity for the main hopper. The dual bin configuration is referred to as the AB300AF2. This configuration features two bins with separate metering chains, allowing for individual rates to be set for each product. This configuration can be adjusted using switches found near the center of the hopper on both sides of the unit. When these switches are set towards the front of the machine, as shown, the front and rear hoppers will feature capacities of 195 and 109.5 cubic feet, respectively. If the switches are set towards the rear of the machine, the capacities for the front and rear hoppers will be 139.5 and 165 cubic feet, respectively. Again, ensure that the switches are set to the same settings on both the left and right-hand sides of the machine. The AB300 may also be equipped with two main hoppers and a microhopper. This configuration is referred to as the AB300AF2M. This allows for separate metering of three different products, providing more accurate fertilizer blends. With the microhopper set to single bin, the AB300AF2M can be configured as a two-product machine and can be adjusted to achieve the same capacities as the AB300AF2. Setting the microhopper switch to dual bin allows for the 32 cubic foot microhopper to be used in conjunction with the two main hoppers. Setting the mid-hopper switches forward, as shown, allows for capacities of 195, 77.5, and 32 cubic feet for the front main hopper, rear main hopper, and microhopper, respectively. Alternatively, setting the mid-hopper switches rearward, as shown, allows for capacities of 165, 107.5, and 32 cubic feet for the front main hopper, rear main hopper, and microhopper, respectively. Overall, the AB300AF2M configuration allows for 4 unique hopper settings, providing you with unmatched versatility throughout the spreading season.